So I know I make videos about the tails that I make, but I also really like pre-made fabric tails. And on the 4th of July weekend, FinFun was having this really big sale. And I believe their tails are normally $400. They were on sale for $350, and then they had an additional discount, so they were only $280. So I bought 3. I've been waiting to get them, and I've just been waiting for the sale. And I could only assume that that sale was probably like a hint that they were getting new ones. And I really liked their old ones. Didn't know if I'd like their new ones. Turns out I actually like their old ones better than their new ones because they did come out. So I just got them in the mail today. I'm very excited. I assume all 3 of them are in this box. So I'm gonna try to do them one video at a time. I want to see how they come out of this box. But here we go. Now if I can figure out how to open this box. Probably over here. I see tape. Yes, this looks like. So be careful where I'm cutting. I was not expecting this to come in the mail today. Even as I was bringing it in, I was like, what did I order? A very pleasant surprise. They weren't supposed to be here till August 2nd. Right. 2 tapes down. Where else do I need to cut? Zoom on this side. Okay. These are very heavy, like heavier than I thought they would be. So I'm very interested to see what's in here. I have been waiting to get a, oh, right there. I've been waiting to get a Finfolk tail as well. I almost bought the anniversary tail, but I didn't like the fluke. I hate to say that it was a beautiful tail, but it's not my fluke. I have just been waiting. The Riverbend is my tail, and I missed out on it, and then I missed out on it again when it was the tail of the month. So I will get either Something Fabulous is going to come out that I love as much as the Riverbend, or I will get the Riverbend eventually. So, okay. I don't want to look at the other one, so I'm just going to reach into this box, feel around, and there's a paper. Oh, that's what I got. Okay. So I got the Neptune. What did I get? The Neptune Elite. Oh, in jade. I can't read apparently. The Neptune Elite in jade, and the Neptune in indigo. So I'm thinking maybe there's like 2 tails in this box, unless there's another sheet. So let's, oh wait, there's another sheet. There it is. The Neptune in paradise. Okay. Feeling tissue paper. Feeling plastic. Oh, it is heavier than expected. Oh, very fancy. I had no idea what size to get. I know there's a size chart, but I feel like size charts never, like, yes, they give you an idea, but I struggle with size charts. Anyone else have that problem? Hey, we're out of the plastic. Can you guys see this? Oh my goodness, you can't see it. I have it out of the box and you can't see it. There it is. This is my favorite one. I'm so glad this one came out first. So these fins are really pretty. Let me move this box and I can show you better. I know most of you have seen these. They've been out for a long time. But I'm going to show you anyway because I'm so excited. Look at these fins. Aren't they gorgeous? I actually could not find a video where I could see this scale pattern really well. So I'm going to show you this scale pattern. It's really pretty. I know I saw a lot of videos where they show me this waistband, but I wanted to know just how realistic those scales look. They're prettier than I thought they'd be. Okay. So I got an extra small. So I don't know if I said that. I just could not decide what to get, and I finally ended up with an extra small. Oh, see, I moved backwards. And now I'm back out of the camera again. So, okay, here comes the fluke. Oh, I'm so excited. It's big. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah. It has some really nice detail. I wasn't sure. To be honest, I wasn't sure. I I know Finfolk does. I love Finfolk. I have a bajillion pairs of leggings. I should probably do a video about that. So I know that their scales look gorgeous. I was so nervous about these scales. Oh, it's got some nice stretch too. Good. Yes, I think the extra small is perfect. Oh, good. I'm so nervous. Okay. Let's get this up here for you guys to see. Oh, look at the coloring. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so, so, so pretty. Okay. Come up here so you guys can see it. Those scales are definitely prettier than I thought they'd be. And there's the fluke. I think my favorite part of the fluke is this detail in here. Can you see that? It's really pretty. Ooh. Love it, love it, love it. How much of this can I show you? Yeah, I get it all in. I go all the way back to my door back here. Oh, it's bending. We're bending. No, the fluke is too big, but I can get that much in there. That's not too bad. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. I am so, so happy with it. Oh. Okay. So let's check out. We checked out the stretch. And these fins are really nice. They have like extra fabric. They're definitely thicker than I thought they'd be. So let's check out our zipper. This fabric is really, really nice too. Thicker than I thought, coming from FinFun. Okay. And we have our vinyl in here with our Velcro to hold our monofin. That's a big zipper too. Oh, did I unzip it all the way? Oh, 1 inch. I was off by 1 inch. That is how big that zipper is. That's great. I'm just checking out my. Oh, there we go. I just wanted to see what that Velcro looked like. It's really nice, guys. I am super, super excited. Can't wait to open the next one. I love this fluke. I think that's what I don't like about the new ones. I feel like they don't look as realistic. And I didn't like the shape of the fluke. I'm very weird about my flukes. I don't know if anyone else is like that. I think so. I see comments on pages. So, there's the fluke. Okay. Alright, next video I'm going to open the next one.